know, Fred, is eating allowed?
You have to taste them.
Taste
You have
test.
to taste them.
You have to taste them.
Make sure they are.
Sugar's up.
Make sure your eye and your palate are in tune.
Additional level of quality.
We're looking for slightly underripe fruit, or we're sorting out for sparkling. So we'll press those off, whole cluster press. The underripe clusters for Blanc de Noir.
It seems like a good vintage for Pinot.
Oh, you haven't?
I think it will be. I think we've had just tremendous ripeness. It's what I've noticed is taken a little bit longer than I expected for the flavors to really intensify. But the cropping was right. I think we were just over 2 tons per acre, and yeah, this just looks tremendous.
So we're talking about the 2 vintages. You said 07 and 08, and you mentioned 07. In many people's mind, 07, since it was warmer, it was a good vintage or a better vintage. But we actually thought 08 is a better vintage because it was more balanced. What happened was we had timely rains, a little cooler and timely rains. So the vines kept active a little longer in September, October, and the acidity did drop in the grapes, while in 07 it was so warm that in the end of August, September, the vines kind of, I'm done for the season now, and then the acidity drops.
So what does that mean for the grapes when the vine shuts down?
Sorry, yes, the vine shut down. The juices in the vines are no longer going. It won't generate more energy or sugar levels or acidity in the grapes.
The slightly underripe clusters are, you can see them in the light. They're just a hint of pale close to the stem, and so they're fairly easy to pick out.
And that's what you're throwing down here.
Okay, but this is okay, right?